Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on Cash App when it says pending. First, open your Cash App on your device. Navigate to the Activity tab, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Look for any transactions listed as pending or waiting on you. Tap on these transactions to reveal more details and the option to accept them. Make sure you are logged into the correct account for the pending funds. This initial step is crucial for managing your incoming payments effectively. Next, let's ensure your app and connection are ready. Always check for Cash App updates in your device's app store. An outdated version might cause transaction issues, including payments remaining pending. Furthermore, confirm you have a strong, reliable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if one seems problematic. A weak signal can disrupt the communication needed for the payment to fully process. These simple checks can often resolve many common pending payment situations. If the payment remains pending, reach out to the sender. Confirm they sent the money to your exact Cash App tag, as a small typo can misdirect funds. If everything seems correct and the issue persists, contact Cash App support. You can usually find the support option within the app's profile section. Provide them with all relevant details, such as the sender's name, their Cash App tag, and the amount of the pending transaction. Their team can investigate the specific status of the payment. Pending status can occur for a few key reasons. Cash App employs security protocols that might flag certain transactions as unusual, temporarily holding them for review. Your account could also have receiving limits. For example, a new account might have a lower receiving cap, like $500 per week, until further verification. Occasionally, issues with your linked bank account, such as an expired card or unverified details, can cause delays. Understanding these common causes helps in troubleshooting effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.